Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. I don't know, but I've been to many parties, and the first thing people always ask about is, where is the rum punch? That's the Jamaican rum punch. Today I'll be making Jamaican rum punch, and in this picture I'll be pouring the items that will make this punch. First thing I'll be putting in half cup of lemon juice, half cup of lemon juice, then 1 cup of grenadine syrup, the star of the show, Jerry and Nephew, the Jamaican overproof big bad white rum. No Jamaican rum punch exists without Jamaican white rum. One cup of Jerry and Neville. As a matter of fact, 1 cup of Bray and Neville is equal to 200 milliliter. This is a 200 milliliter flask, so it's emptied 1 cup. Then it's asked for a cup of light rum. This is a half a cup, another half a cup will complete the cup of light rum. Okay. Then it asks for a cup of pineapple juice. This is a cup of pineapple mango juice. Not just pineapple, but pineapple mango juice. Next ingredient is a cup of orange juice. 1 cup of orange juice. Then it asks for ask for half a teaspoon fresh grated nutmeg. These punches aren't complete without the great nutmeg. Okay. Gonna mix all of these ingredients. And take a taste. Oh my goodness. This is good. My. Wow. I'll get back when I'm pouring this wonderful rum punch into my favorite glass. See you then. Okay, I'm back. Back with a zing. Okay, I got my favorite drinking glass. It's right here. Putting in some ice. Okay. Now I'm gonna pour in my rum punch. Oh, magnificent. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Wow. Looking so lovely. Looking so nice. Gonna garnish it with orange wedges. Okay. Two orange wedges. And the straw. So this is my wonderful rum punch in my favorite glass. Okay. Now, one thing about rum punch. Rum punch can be stored way over 20 years. Once you keep it in a container and you keep your container closed, the rum, the strength of the rum will remain same. Just put it in a container, keep your container closed, and store it in a cool, dry place, and you'll have rum punch to enjoy as long as you wish without thinking about spoilage, etc. Okay, so this is my rum punch to drink. I'll put that aside, and here's one of my storage jars. I'm gonna put some for storage too. My storage jar. Okay, so here's my rum punch in my storage jar. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, that's my lovely rum punch in my favorite drinking glass, garnished with 2 orange wedges, also some in a storage jar, which I'll be put down for what my folks used to call, are still calling, a rainy day, when I need some rum punch for my enjoyment. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I love to make videos for you. Thank you.